Hello. Welcome to my channel, Atanasoft Studio. In the previous tutorial for Arden software, we learned how to create a basic product. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to create a 3D view of a product created through the standard process. So let's create a product through the standard. You go to File, New, Standard, then let's select what we want to create. So we want to create something like this, something like this, and this is how it looks like. So we go to create, next. The length is 250, the width 165, the depth 75. Next. Here we are not doing any changes. Next, the depth is 75, or we should do more than that. You maintain it, then finish. So to create a 3D view of this, we come to 3D here, 3D viewer. And is it going to be on a new 3D layer? What is the angle? What material are we using? The board settings. So let's say we are using a folding box board, ultra UV, hazy, and all these things. So we will pick a direction where it will start from. We are taking it from the base. So we click here to get our 3D view, which is created on a new layer. So this is the 3D version of the product which we've created. So let's say we want to add another substrate to it. What do? Let's move this aside and come to the one up, 3D viewer. This time we are not using cutting board, we are using a corrugated board TL3, but it's not a gloss UV, it's matte, blue, high. The texture is a high quality texture. Let's do very high. We select our product. So this is 3D version of the two products which we've created. To move, you right click, move, then you move it aside. You do the same thing for this. You right click, move, you move it here. So this is how you basically create a 3D view of a product you created in Arden Impact software. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and watch the other tutorials of interest.